All right, my people, welcome back onto this one. Well, onto this, Afenifere vows to lead Yoruba nation to demand Nigeria's restructuring before fraudulent 2023 elections. All right, my people, the news in details. Onto this, leader of Yoruba socio-political group Afenifere Chief Ayo Adebanjo has said the organization will champion the demand for restructuring of Nigeria on behalf of Yoruba people before the 2023 general elections. The 93-year-old chieftain stated this while addressing the press at the Wheat Baker Hotel in the Ikoyi area of Lagos State on Thursday. Adebanjo, however, added that the response of the Buhari regime to the demand would determine the next line of action for Yoruba people, while noting that Nigeria's unity is negotiable. He said the world would appear to be tired of Nigeria and the preoccupation of the world is fixed on a containment of the nuisance that we have become, because if the world has any care left for us, how has it found the grace of condemnment, acquiescence, and an obvious complicity? How has the cause of liberty been promoted in Nigeria by the British and then the Americans with all of their eyes in the Nigerians' case? What did they see on the 20th of October at Lekki Toll? The Western world has found accommodation for evil in Nigeria, but if Harold Smith is to be believed, the renation of Nigeria by the British is not an accident, it is by design. All right, let it be heard loud and clear. Afenifere shall be leading the Yoruba nation to demand substantial restructuring before any fraudulent elections might be held in 2023, and the response of the Buhari's regime to these equitable demands for restructuring the country along federalist lines in order to restore it to its roots and an original agreement shall go a long way in shaping the position of the Yoruba people in the future. But let it be heard loud and clear, Nigeria is not only negotiable, it is evidently dying. According to his statement, I quote, General Yakubu Gohan retired to keep Nigeria one. Is it for the Fulani to dominate other ethnic nationalities? General Olusegun Obasanjo retired, Nigeria unity is non-negotiable for the Yorubas to be under Fulani domination. Your Eminence Alhaji Muhammadu Sahad Abubakar Sultan of Sokoto, General Abdulsalamin Abubakar retired, Bishop Kuka, can we have peace without equity and justice? All right, and then this is what it is. Afenifere vows to lead Yoruba nation to demand Nigeria's restructuring before fraudulent 2023 election, and then that is what it is. Well, Nigeria calls for referendum now. Nigeria calls for referendum now. Nigeria calls for referendum now. This had been said by Femi Adams. Well, majority of things are actually going on, but the truth of the matter right now has been that as far as we are all concerned, if the right thing is not being put in place, if there is no love my brother, because as it is right now, there is no love at all. That's exactly what we have seen so far. That is what is causing the problem. That is why you will see some set of people, coming out to say, oh, they want to be on top of the game. For how long? When others are suffering, and then you are seeing these people suffering, you have not done anything. There is no love. And then right now, the people have said it that our mumu don't do. No going back. This set of people are insisting no going back. Well, as it stands right now, majority of things are actually being said. And then meanwhile, the agitators, Chief Sunday Igboho's agitators, are of the opinion that there is no need for restructuring, that majority of things are going wrong. And then as it stands right now, my people, and we have seen it, that if these people try to say, oh, we want to restructure, or they want to restructure, at the end of the day, people will suffer in time to come, because this set of people are not to be trusted. It's a serious one. And then with another news that is reaching us, and then the people are not happy at all. And then onto this, they have been able to say that Benin Republic has detained Chief Sunday Igboho for over 3 months without any criminal charge. And then you can imagine, he has committed no offense. Nothing, simply because you don't want the right thing to be done. Simply because you have seen him as someone who will liberate the people, as someone who is ready to put smiles in the faces of the people. You now decided to detain him, calling him all sorts of names, while the major criminals are gallivanting town, enjoying themselves, doing all sorts of atrocities. No one is talking about them. Now some set of people are talking about restructuring. Will restructuring help? Too bad. Well, a lot of things are actually being said, but one thing we are praying for, one thing for sure, is that in no time, that has been our prayer, Chief Sunday Igboho would be vindicated. Chief Sunday Igboho will be freed. Right now, a lot of things are going wrong since Chief Sunday Igboho had not been around, since Chief Sunday Igboho had not been available. You can imagine the activities of the Fulani killer X-Men. You can imagine all sort of things they've been doing around the Ibarapa area, the southwestern part of the country, kidnapping people, coming in with dangerous weapons and doing all sort of atrocities. And then so many people have said that, oh, they are doing all this because Chief Sunday Igboho is not around. And you can imagine, so does that mean that it's only Chief Sunday Igboho that can come out to fight for the people? That is why you need to respect that man, Chief Sunday Igboho. That is why majority of people are still on the matter of no going back. Hashtag Oduduwa Nation. Now. It's so serious. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. Thanks and God bless.